What's happening, everybody? My name is Becky Evans and this is SYNETIQ SOS. We're going to be travelling up and down the country, hearing your stories, checking out your cars and providing the parts to fix them sustainably. We're going to be busy. Let's get on the road. Today on SYNETIQ SOS, we've taken a trip up to meet Tim. Now, he's got a 2021 Mini Cooper, which he uses as his family wagon. Now, unfortunately, it's had a small mishap with a barrier which came down on one of the super stylish taillights. I love the way these Union Jack lights look. So in this box, I've got a brand new unit for him, so the next time he takes the car on the school run, he's safe, seen and stylish again. Tim, I come bearing gifts.
Great, thank you, Becky.
No bother. Take a seat, tell us what happened.
Okay.
All parts SYNETIQ sell are covered by a minimum 3-month warranty. The length of warranty depends on the type of part you buy. If you get non-mechanical and non-electrical parts, it's 12 months, but if you get tyres or high voltage components or mechanical parts, it's 3 months.
This isn't your first Mini then, is it?
It's not, no, it's number 8. I started off with one of the very first Minis. They had a Mini 1, and then as they released the Cooper S, jumped into a Cooper S. Then stepped away for a little bit, then jumped into another Cooper S. And then I jumped into a Clubman and messed about with that quite a bit and put a lot of John Cooper Works kit onto that, lowered it and upgraded the brakes and things. Used that quite a lot for work as well.
So of the Minis, why did you end up picking this car?
They're good fun to drive, but this one's got 5 doors, so it's a bit more practical because I've got a couple of kids. Can be used as school run or all of us going out. That's my 4th Audi TT. I had one of the original Mark 1s back in 2003, and then probably about 9 years ago bought a TTRS, but had a few issues with that one. So swapped it for a diesel, which I used for 7 months and 37,000 miles. Well, then changed jobs where I wasn't travelling so much. So that was my 3rd, and then this one's as an economical commuting car back and forth to work.
So tell me what happened with the taillight.
Stupidly didn't look at all the gizmos and parking sensors it's got and just reversed into a post. It didn't go off, and I didn't even look in the rear view camera that it's got as well. So it just hit the post. The light, I've been looking to replace it for about 5 weeks. Approached Mini, obviously first port of call, but was a bit taken back by their costs. So then started looking at other options. You forgot about it after a while, but yeah, it's annoying when it happens. If I can replace it with one that's already been made, rather than having to purchase brand new, then yeah, that would be good. And a bit easier on the pocket. I'll have a go at fixing it myself first, definitely, before I go and approach anybody else.
So a company like SYNETIQ is ideal because you can just fix stuff yourself.
Absolutely perfect for me. You can go on the website, you can browse everything they've got and see it all. You can even contact them, speak to them. Generally we swap every 3 years. This is 18 months old now, so whether we keep it or not, they don't do any manuals anymore. So this is the last of the manual Minis that they did. So might end up keeping it, depends whether younger daughters want to drive it or not, or whether we just upgrade. Yeah, it's back to as it should be now.
There we have it, another happy customer. Tim is on his way, he's got his fresh tail light in, just in time for those darker winter nights. If you're looking for any parts for your car, make sure you check out the SYNETIQ website, subscribe to the channel for more from this series, and we'll see you on the next one.